Questions linger after the Kentucky legislature overrode the governor's veto and passed the bill that restricts abortions here in the Commonwealth. The biggest question remaining, how is this possible with the federal ruling in Roe v. Wade? WHS 11's political reporter Rachel Droz has been talking to law experts today about this new Kentucky law and if it will hold up in court.
Experts I spoke to say there are definitely parts of this new law that could be pretty flimsy to hold up in court, but they say it's tough to tell exactly what might happen. That's because right now the Supreme Court is deciding on a case that could chip away at, or in theory completely overturn, the landmark Roe v. Wade case, which legalized abortion in all 50 states.
Depending on what the Supreme Court does, there may be no constitutional problems with these laws. On the other hand, if it maintains Roe pretty much intact, you might be able to argue that there are some constitutional issues with it.
While there's no language that says abortions are banned outright in Kentucky, the providers who perform them say this law creates a lot of barriers, and they can't legally perform the procedures anymore, something they feel violates Roe v. Wade. Kentucky has 2 abortion providers, EMW Women's Surgical Center and Planned Parenthood. Since this new law took effect immediately when it passed, both stopped abortions that day. The ACLU and Planned Parenthood both filed lawsuits claiming the law is unconstitutional. Attorney General Daniel Cameron has pledged to defend this law in court, saying he believes the General Assembly has passed it to save the lives of women. Reporting in Louisville, Rachel Droz, WHS 11 on your side.